guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be attempting a Christmas wreaths with my wonderful mum. We decided to go very natural, but I wanted to do everything as cheap and as cheerful, as wonderful and as possible, so we decided to get bits from the garden. I did want to cheat though and go and pick up a few bits from some of the flower shops as well, just to spruce it up. So we're going to do two different ones. I'm going to do one, she's going to do another. I'm going to show you the base in a minute that we're going to use, which is compliments from my dear father, who decided to use his very own willow and created our own base. You can pick it up from absolutely anywhere, Amazon or a garden centre. But yeah, overall it's a good fun DIY project to do. It's almost Christmas, it's Christmas in a week, so what better way to get into the festive spirit than to make your own winter / Christmas wreath. You know what, we have no idea how this is going to turn out, having never done it before, but you know what, you don't know until you give it a go. So we're going to take you through the process, show you how we do it, how we get along and create our bunches, all the tools that we're going to be using and how we created our base. And yeah, let's just get on with it, see how it goes. I'm gonna put some Christmas tunes on, get a Christmas cup of tea in my little snowman, and yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay guys, so to start off with your wreaths, you want to get two homemade, or you can buy them, it's completely up to you, but my pap made these for both me and my mum. We've got a smaller one and we've got a larger one, and he just took some willow. He's really into his willow weaving, so he literally decided to do this for us, which is really kind of him. He took some garden wire, as you can see here, and he just wrapped it around and made a wreath shape. So this is what we're going to be using as our base, and here's the smaller one as well. So if you want to make a diddlier one, smaller one, and then you've got your bigger one as well. Okay, so these are all of the tools that we're going to use. First is this garden wire. You can basically pick it up from anywhere, cheap as chips from a garden centre. We actually got this from my dad and he let us have it and said that we could use it, so what an absolute legend. And he's also given us this larger wire. I'm not sure that we're actually going to need this one because it's a lot thicker, but you know what, it's there if we need it. I'm hoping that this one will just be strong enough. And then we've also got some pliers. This is one of his tools actually. My dad likes to do some willow weaving, and he does basket making, and he's just so clever with it. And this is a really cool little tool. I have no idea what this is called. I should probably ask him really. Just easier to cut the wire. And then we've also got some standard scissors as well. Right, this is my pap, everyone. Say hey, Pat. Right. So what is that fancy tool in the middle called?
This is a wire cutter.
Is that just what you call it, a wire cutter? It doesn't have a fancy name?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, well that was simple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, say bye.
Bye.
Got myself a festive tea. Look how cute that mug is. My little Snowy. Got the Christmas tunes on, ready to rock and roll. Okay, so this is the two packages I picked up from the flower shop. Just wanted to get bits that you couldn't necessarily find in your garden, or stuff that we definitely don't have in our garden. So I've got some eucalyptus, because this stuff is just absolutely gorgeous. However, I got it a couple of days ago and it seems to be shriveling up, which is not good news. I also got some gypsophilia, just because this white stuff, I mean, it's just so iconic and pretty. I picked up these, which were actually really non-expensive at all. I think it was like £1 for that whole bunch. And they're super Christmassy and pretty. And then I also have got 4 of these, but they are going a little bit funny. So I'm gonna have to spray them just to get them a little bit of moisture. But they literally are the prettiest pink berries ever. Matches my festive nails, doesn't it? Love that. And then over here as well, we've got some fern. I think it's fern, I'm not sure. What is this stuff? It's that typical Christmas tree kind of vibey, ferny stuff. Now, if I had some spray, I would probably spray a bit of this white, but I don't have any of that, so we're gonna have to just roll with it. But oh, it smells amazing. Okay, so this is the 3 bags of foraging that we managed to do the other day. Literally, we took a couple of trips out and we've just picked up random bits and bobs. I mean, that does not look good, and I feel like it's already on its way out, which isn't so good. So we've been spraying it with our little water sprayer, but we have picked up some really cool and fun bits. There's lots of little berries. There's some holly in there with some berries, which I didn't think. To be honest with you, I just never really have seen that out and about wild, but we managed to spot a few bushes, particularly up on the heath. We've got some ivy of some sorts. I've no idea what this is called, but it's super pretty. And yeah, random bits and bobs, so hopefully that will make up some of our bunches quite nicely. And then if you've got some old decorations of some sorts that you can use, we have got some old baubles and just bits that we're not using anymore. So these are just perfect if we want to attach some wire and put them on them as well. It's nice to have some options. Then we've also got some pine cones with, some are white and some are just normal. And then we also have some twigs with some white bits on them as well. Mum has been collecting this stuff over the years and she's got a big bag full. This might come in handy, you never know. Here she is. She's come to join us. This is Mama Rob.
Hello, hello.
In the house. We're going to do some wreath making, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to do some, I don't know what we're going to do. Bit of wire, bit of snipping, ready to go.
Ready to go. What are you doing?
I don't know, it was like a little bongo thing.
I like your dress, by the way.
Oh, very slinky, thank you.
Everyone, don't you think her dress is lovely? Looking all festive and fabulous. And I've got some festive slips on, so I'm not completely unfestive. How cute are these little Rudolphs?
You do realise what we've got here, don't you?
What have we got?
Daddy cone,
Oh, what's that bigger than?
mummy cone,
Oh, well, sweet. I might have to move your...
little sis cone, and baby cone.
Oh, diddler. Are we allowed to cheat and use super glue, do you reckon?
No, because we stick our fingers together.
Oh, okay. Maybe not. Should we start making our bunches first?
I'm going to start by doing the wire because I haven't done that.
Okay.
It's like the improvisation. How many things can you do with the hoop? Come on.
Hoopla.
Hoopla. Jewellery. Halo. Right, now. Driving in my car. Driving home for Christmas. Beep, beep. Right, so I've been winding this round. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up.
Is this just secure it in place?
It's part to secure it, but you want the wire so that you've got something to attach your bunches to. So we're going to do our bunches and then attach them to the wire.
Oh, love that.
So can you see this?
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about bits like that because I'll get covered over with the herding.
I might try and do my bunches first and then try and attach it afterwards. So let's
Well, that's what you've got to do, but this is just the basis for your groundwork. So you've got the initial wire to attach your bunches to. So you make up all your bunches and then we're going to attach them around the ring.
The pro has spoken, people. Right, let's do our bunches. Okay, so I've done the first bunch and I've just literally wrapped a little bit of a wire around the bottom. So I've just taken random bits and bobs, so looks rather pretty and festive. Let's see how we get on with it.
Oh, what we got in here? Not GHDs, we've got a bag of ribbony bits.
Oh. So is this stuff that you've just literally saved over the years?
I am a hoarder.
Love
I
that.
cut ribbons off everything and got nice ones in there.
Pretty. We got some cinnamon sticks as well.
I've got lots of them.
This is from last year. I put these all on Christmas presents and they still smell good. Right, what are you doing? You wrapping some ivy?
I'm doing some ivy, but I'm trying, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm actually twisting
Having a play.
Twisting it round the rope.
Pretty.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Love that.
Just a little bit to start with.
And I've started to make some bunches, so I've got another one here. And I've just kept some wire out at the bottom. I mean, it looks a little bit all over the place, but you know what? We're rolling with it. Right, so far I've made 3 bunches. Do you like it?
Pretty.
It's like a cactus, doesn't it?
Oh, yes. Love it.
Love it.
Loving it, loving it, loving it.
Right,
Loving it like that.
This is very hard.
The thing is, have you ever noticed that when you're concentrating, you stick your tongue out?
I think I was just doing it then.
My husband told me about this once, and ever since he's shown me and told me about it, I do it all the time. And it's like bending down. You bend down to pick something up, and you go, ah.
Is that called just getting old?
No, it's called self-observation.
Okay. Actually, these pink berries are.
Oh, they're lovely. What's this? Another one here.
Very old.
No, it could have been that one. Aha. Yes. Beauty Uncle Vic. I always say that.
Where's that come from then?
I don't know. My Uncle Vic, I suppose. I don't know.
Mm.
Beauty Uncle Vic. To see.
Rum, pum, pum, pum.
Pum, 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 pum.
We just had to do a mad dash to the garden. Some more berries and flowers. Right, so far I've made 8 bunches and I've just put them on the floor. They're all down there and they're looking all a bit random at the moment, but we had to go and also do a little bit more of a, as I just said, a bit of a run out in the garden to get some more bits and bobs, but mine still looks like that because I decided to go along the route of doing my bunches before I put them on, and I might have made them too big, whereas you... Right,
I've started doing this, but I've hit a problem. I'm not doing the wire tight enough, so now I've picked it up, it's moved. So I'm going to have to get another bit of wire, and I keep losing them.
I have to say though...
tie it nice and tight.
I think yours looks absolutely beautiful. It's really natural.
I'm going for the natural look.
The natural festive look.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
There we go.
Are you doing a half one? Or a full?
I might do that half, and I might do something special up there. You have to just wait and see.
Love it.
I'm trying to make this tight.
You're so right though with the whole that you can just get so many cool things from a garden and from the woods.
Yeah, just take a little night run. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this. I'll just turn my volume up.
Before you do, what's your favourite Christmas song?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, Slade and yeah, Wizard.
You can't beat the Fairy Tale of New York.
Nah.
Or Merry Christmas Everyone.
I was brought up with Slade and Wizard.
Still a classic. It's a good one.
Jiggity jig, ee-aw, ee-aw. Jiggity jig, ee-aw, ee-aw. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, jiggity jig, ee-aw, ee-aw. Dominic the donkey. Jiggity jig, ee-aw, ee-aw. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, so I've almost finished all the bunches. I've done near enough 15. There's a few down there. There's a few there. And now I'm going to start layering them onto the wreath. So I'm going to kind of do it in like a crisscross-over motion like this and wrap them around and see how I go, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough. I don't know if it will look bulky, but you don't know until you give it a go. And then Mum's done a really beautiful Christmassy simplistic one. It looks so beautiful. I love the style of it at the bottom and then the ivy wrap, really pretty. Okay, so I've managed to get on 5 bunches, but I'm not sure if I've overlapped them too. I might run out of batches, I might have overlapped them too high, but it's coming along. Look at that.
Look at that.
There we go. It's coming along nicely. And yours is getting there.
Progress. Are you in progress? It's gonna. I'll pick it up and it'll fall down.
It's not. I think it looks stunning, Mum. It looks so pretty.
It's not quite there.
It is.
Go away,
is really pretty.
Go away until it's finished.
Oh, you don't. Yeah, but we've got to look at the. Because you've kind of wrapped bits in as you've gone along.
Yeah, I'm making mine up as I go along.
Well, same here.
Which is a bit weird.
No, it looks amazing. I love it. And I love the fact that you've got a bit of cinnamon in it.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
And the berries.
And the berries. Right, well there we go. have done 2 completed wreaths. Now, I know what you're thinking. I didn't manage to go all the way around just because I run out of bunches towards the end. I think I clumped them too much around this side rather than the other side. So I'm gonna either do it like that or I'll have it like that, either way. But
I think that looks lovely. It gives you a handle as well.
it does, but look at yours.
My little one.
Yours is so, so pretty.
Kept falling out. I did use a coat hanger to hold it up for a bit, so I had hands free to work things because I was finding it a bit difficult because it kept falling out. But the trick of the day is long pieces of wire. Short pieces and you lose them and it becomes faffy.
This is what it looks like from the back, so you can see all of the wire bits. I mean, I used a lot of the chunky wire in the end, but
I've got a big bit there.
Ultimately, I mean, that was the hardest bit, was actually just getting it as tight as you could. But I loved doing it. It was so much fun.
It was alright. How long has it taken us?
It's taken us a couple of hours.
Yay. It cheered us up with the local news.
Yeah.
On the national news, should I say.
National news.
So we want to say we wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So there we go, Christmas wreath making at home with a little help from some of the flowers down at the florist shop. What can you get in your garden? A lot, that is the question.
A lot. Go hunt in your own gardens, go past other people's gardens.
Go forage in the woods.
And just go, yeah, and any little hedgerows at the end of your street.
Good fun. And we're very, very happy with them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you do any of your own wreaths as well. I would love to know. Put some pictures down in the comments. Let me know if you've done some. And if I don't speak to you before Christmas, have a very Merry Christmas. And let's hope that 2021 is going to be an even better one. Because let's be honest, that is not that hard to do after this year. So we'll leave it at that. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.
Gators, gators.
Speak to you soon. Bye, 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 bye.